So the first important is function of RBI is that it is a monetary authority of India. It helps in keeping the inflation under check. See, whenever the prices are going too haywire, or if the prices are increasing and decreasing to a very large extent, RBI plays a very important role in keeping this inflation under check. It helps in maintaining the price stability, ensuring adequate flow of credit and liquidity to productive sectors of the economy to ensure growth, provides financial stability, helps in formulating, executing, and monitoring the monetary policy of India. Now, what is monetary policy? Where we understand if the interest rate should be increased or decreased, or how the economy should function, what should be the foreign exchange rate, or how the country should respond to the rising inflation. So, all these decisions are undertaken by the RBI with the help of monetary policy. So, monetary policy plays a very, very important role in the overall regulation of the Indian economy. Next important function is issuer of currency. RBI is nation's sole note issuing authority. We know that whatever currency that is issued in India, RBI has a sole authority for issuing this currency, ensures good quality coins and currency notes in adequate quantity, as well as demolished currency and coins not fit for circulation, mops up notes and coins unfit for circulation, aids government in designing, producing, and managing the nation's currency. So RBI plays a very important role in the overall management of the Indian currency, helps in formulating, executing, and monitoring the monetary policy of India. It helps in bringing consistency, note issuing, and keeps the public faith alive in paper currency. So basically, everything and anything pertaining to the currency, issuing, its circulation, its designing, producing, managing, what should be the foreign exchange rate, and etc. Everything is taken care of by RBI because it is the sole note issuing authority of India. Act as a banker's bank. Bankers Bank means say if we need funds, whom do we approach? We approach SBI, ICICI. So we approach banks for our funding needs. Similarly, if banks are in need of any money, so they can resort to RBI. It acts as a lender of the last resort. First, because they get this money between themselves, as SBI can approach ICICI for a short-term loan or such kind of transaction. But RBI acts as the lender of the last resort for these kind of banking transactions. It ensures smooth settlement and clearance of interbank obligations, acts as an efficient and reliable means of funds, aids banks in maintaining their accounts with RBI for the purpose of statutory reserves requirement and maintaining the transaction balances. It ensures adequate liquidity in the financial system and in individual banks on a daily basis. So it ensures the overall liquidity in the financial system. It helps in maintaining the accounts for the purpose of statutory reserve requirement and maintaining the overall transaction balances. So it is acting as a banker's bank. Whatever transactions we do as an individual with the banks can do the same with RBI. Manager of the foreign exchange. So now whenever there is a involvement of foreign currencies transactions, so whenever we are dealing with foreign countries, rates and payments or foreign exchange reserves, RBI plays a very important role. So it formulates policies to facilitate the external trade and payment, acts as a custodian of the country's foreign exchange reserves, promotes orderly development of foreign exchange markets, manages the foreign currency assets and gold reserves of the country, buys and sells foreign currency to maintain the exchange rate of rupees, that is Indian rupee INR, which we denote as. So overall management of the currency assets and gold reserves of the country is the whole and sole responsibility of RBI.